Hi friends, let me show you this new KIPRITII set of toys for pets, for dogs basically. This is a nice set. You get 23 different toys for small to medium-sized dogs. You also get these bags for cleaning after your pets with this dispenser that you can hook to your leash or what you take with you when you go walk with your pets. These ones are easy to use. Just put them here in the dispenser. Get one a little bit out and you're all set, okay? These toys are different kinds. Some of them make noises. Some of them help your pets clean their teeth. And they will give them a lot of play time, okay? So let's test them with Chocolate. Here he is. Choco! You get 2 dispensers. And when you need to, you can get a bag like this and get all your pets hooked with them. Okay? Ready?